Brian had a 67 Dart that had a 440 in it. I ended up using that in my Cuda and rebuilt it into a 451, but then I replaced the motor with a 540 stroker. So now I'm going to repurpose, or should I say, rebuild Shark Attack 451.
Crank it up in the dead of night. Chrome shines bright on the street lights. Big black Mopar, more on the line. Engine fire, feeling fine. Sharks in the water, engine scream. Chrome shines bright on the street lights. Big black Mopars roar on the line. Engine fire, feeling fine. Sparks in the water, engine scream. Heads turn, it's a gasoline dream. Pistons pump like a heart on fire. Rev it up, push it higher. Shark attack under the moon's glow. Track race to where the wild ones go. Tearing through town with no regrets. We build our lives till the end, we bet. Blood and oil spread on the track. Chasing shadows, no turning back. Rock and roll in our racing veins. Speed's got a big to change. Adrenaline fuels our endless quest. Through the night, no time to rest. Gear shift tearing through space. Every risk, every chase. Shock and dark attack under the moon's glow. Track race to where the wild ones go. Tearing through town with no regrets. We build our lives till the end, we bet. Adrenaline fuels our endless quest. Through the night, no time to rest. Gear shift tearing through space. Every risk, every chase. Shock and dark attack under the moon's glow. Track race where the wild ones go. Tearing through town with no regrets. We build our lives till the end, we bet. We build our lives till the end, we bet. In the end, we bet. Adrenaline fuels our endless quest. Through the night, no time to rest. Gear shift tearing through space. Every risk, every chase. Shock and dark attack under the moon's glow. Track race where the wild ones go. Tearing through town with no regrets. We build our lives till the end, we bet. We build our lives till the end, we bet. In the end, we bet.
Now that Shark Attack is gone to Steve-O, I have an idea where this could live again.